everyone, welcome to Hot Step Recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to cook spicy soup pork with vegetable we call Keang Oom. Keang Oom is come from the northeast of Thailand where people eat a lot of fish sauce and fish paste. Today I'm going to show you how to cook it. Let's get started. These vegetables are gonna make soup stock. I got corn, Chinese cabbage, onion, radish, cilantro stem. Boil in water and add this vegetable. Add pork. In this video, you didn't see me to add pork because I forgot it. Sorry about that. Add other sauce, coat the lid and leave it for 30 minutes. These all vegetables are gonna add in the soup. I think some of you don't know about this one. This one is rice paddy herb or Thai people call Puk Kha Yang. Alright everyone, we're gonna prepare vegetable. You can use any kind of vegetable you like, but you cannot mix lemongrass and cauliflower leaf. Authentic Keang Oom supposed to have them. Mostly vegetables we use often: green onion, cabbage, dill, luffa, Chinese cabbage. And of course, one more thing you can miss is Thai chili. Alright, after 30 minutes, we're gonna check our soup. I want only water and pork. Then I'm gonna take all the out. Take soup stock and pork back in the pot. Add lemongrass, cauliflower leaf, and vegetables are not easy to get done first. Close the lid, leave it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons sugar, and then add vegetables that easy to get soft. Add chili and then wait until it simmers. Final step, add rice paddy herb and dill. I put all ingredients below this video, you can check it. Taste it. Step. Delicious. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked my dish. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check the bell to notification. And make the comment below this video if you have anything to recommend me. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.